friends, Running Kimono here. So, we're going to talk about this because I've gotten a lot of messages about this and just people not sure, like, what is this? Oh my God, am I going to make like $5 bajillion with this? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And I hate to be Debbie Downer, but it's just not really that great. So I'm going to show you a visual because it's easier for me to show this to you than to explain it. So in your Walgreens account, you can see this at the bottom of your receipt or digitally. See where it says my balance, my Walgreens base 1%. So that 1% is going to 5%. So as I spent $25 yesterday, I got back, what, 25 cents. So just to show you that it doesn't amount to anything. So for every dollar, you're earning 5 cents. So in the old fashioned days, I'm not sure if they still do this, but they would give you either a 10x or a 20x for your entire birthday month. That would amount to something very quickly, especially if you got the 20x. But with a 5x, you really can't do a whole lot. So I went on my desktop computer and got you guys all the specifics right here. So if you want to pause it to read the fine print, this is taking place right up until Sunday the 29th. And will it stack with this guy? Yes, it will, but you're not going to have like a huge bonanza of money. It's just going to be a very small amount. So for some people that were super confused or thought they were going to make like, $15 per transaction, that's not the case. It's going to be a very small amount. Remember, this is a casino that doesn't like to lose. I think with back to school, they wanted to throw this out there to get parents, non-couponers to see this and be like, oh my gosh, I'm going to make money. And then to get out to the store and buy overpriced stationery or what have you. And then just get 25 cents or whatever it might be, just a very small amount. But that's the information I have for you. And yes, I did test this out online. I haven't been to the store yet because my store doesn't open till 9. But when I've seen these before in the past, that's typically what they are. Just treat it like a birthday booster and you would know, just make it a ×5 and the math would probably follow. So I got a very cheap little hand sanitizer here for $1.59. And then if you look at the bottom where it says estimated Walgreens cash reward for this order of 5 cents. So before it would be a penny at ×1, which it typically is. So now that it's over to ×5, it's 5 cents. Just to show you guys another example, I put another $5 hand sanitizer in my basket, pick it up at the store. And what should have been like 5 cents, like 1 times 1%, that would be 5 cents. Now it's up to 25 cents. If you look at the bottom of the screen where it says my Walgreens. So if you went and spent $100, you would get 5. So, I mean, is it worth it? That's totally your choice. I think this is like small potatoes and just not worth dealing with. I mean, if you're going into the store to buy a $25, $40, you might see a little bit of dollars there, but it's really nothing too great. So hopefully this answers all of your questions. Now, before I take off, this is kind of a not so great video, but we have another little cheapie for these Kit Kat fruity cereal. So it is a new type of candy bar by Kit Kat. And the manufacturer released this, which is a 77-cent off of 2. So this week at Walgreens, these candy bars are 77 cents. So that's why they have this goofy price. So grabbing 2, it has to be this specific one, these Kit Kat fruity candy bars. Either find it at the checkout or they have that little candy aisle near the checkout. 2 of them is $1.54. Subtracting that digital coupon, which is 77 cents off of 2, you're paying 77 cents for the 2 or 38 cents each. So, it's better than a kick in the pants. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.